Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel where today we're about to embark on an exhilarating journey into the realm of innovation and technological anticipation. If you've been eagerly awaiting the next iteration of Apple's compact wonder, the iPad mini 7, then you're in for a treat. The suspense has been palpable as we've grown accustomed to Apple's rhythmic product launches. Remember the sheer excitement that coursed through us with the unveiling of the iPad mini 6? A more robust GPU, B-Fire RAM, and the powerhouse A15 Bionic processor were the stars of the show. But oh, the fervor intensifies. For the prospect of the iPad mini 7 potentially harbors an even grander metamorphosis. Intriguingly, amidst the ongoing availability of the 9th generation iPad, some elements of Apple's lineup might be showing their age. Could this be the opportune moment for a rejuvenation, a spark of novelty? Our hearts and hopes align as whispers, rumors, and leaks paint a vivid portrait of the imminent arrival of the iPad mini 7. Buckle up, dear viewers, for we are about to embark on an expedition, a treasure hunt, through the labyrinth of speculations and prophecies. With bated breath and uncontainable excitement, we invite you to join us in this episode, a compass to navigate the intricate landscape of the iPad mini 7. So without further ado, let's set sail into this ocean of possibilities, where we'll uncover all that you crave to know. Ready? Let's dive right in. Display size and design. As we eagerly peer into the crystal ball of speculation, one thing emerges clear. While we might not be in for a groundbreaking redesign, a promise of a processor upgrade tantalizes our tech-savvy hearts. The veritable oracle, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, hints at this very likelihood, dousing our dreams of substantial aesthetic overhauls. But fear not, for the palette of color options is anticipated to receive a gentle stroke of novelty. While the familiar shades of space gray, purple, starlight, and pink may grace the iPad mini 7, the whispered possibility of a smart connector dances on the periphery. Imagine a portal to connect peripherals, a keyboard perhaps, magnetically nestled on the side. Such a feature could even transform the Mini into a home hub, charging and standing ready, akin to the Pixel tablet's prowess, a seamless fusion of convenience and versatility. Yet shadows do cast themselves across the horizon. The jelly scrolling debacle, a quirk that brought a gentle jiggle to the browsing experience, is one such shadow. This curious hiccup, a consequence of the LED screen's refresh rate on the previous iPad mini 6, has triggered tech tinkerers to muse about a possible remedy, the installment of a 120Hz ProMotion display. Alas, this solution may tug at the threads of clarity in Apple's product tapestry, introducing a disparity not easily ignored. A conundrum of balance, isn't it? And then there's the siren call of OLED with its captivating colors and contrast prowess, adorning the iPhone 14 lineage. But alas, the whispers of speculation seem to dismiss this for the iPad mini 7, keeping our eager hopes for an OLED panel at bay. Display aficionado Ross Young concurs, revealing that the coveted 120Hz ProMotion refresh rate might remain exclusive to the Pro models. Release date. Cast your memory back to that unforgettable day on September 24th, 2021, when the iPad mini 6 stole the show, a mere 2.5 years after its predecessor, the iPad mini 5. Now, following this pattern, the stage is set for the arrival of the iPad mini 7, a prospect that's got us all buzzing with excitement. But here's the twist: predicting the iPad mini 7's arrival is a bit like reading tea leaves. While the iPad Pro models flaunt their yearly updates, the iPad mini likes to keep us guessing. It's that elusive element that keeps things interesting in the tech world. Now let's bring in a voice we trust, the respected analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. In December 2022, Kuo gave us a nugget of insight, revealing that Apple was cooking up an iPad mini 7. Brace yourselves, it's expected to make its grand entrance at the end of 2023 or the start of 2024. This lines up with the usual timeline and sets the scene for something big. But hey, don't set your countdown just yet. While we might see the iPad mini 7 by the end of the year, a bit more patience could be required before Apple's smallest tablet gets its upgrade. Remember, WWDC 2023 didn't drop any hints about the iPad mini 7, but our hopes are up for an iPad event in October. Could this event also showcase those new rumored M-Mac devices? The suspense is real. Features. Now, considering the iPad mini's last transformation was a major one, it's reasonable to assume that the iPad mini 7 might not be as earth-shaking in its changes. Instead, whispers suggest that it could lean more towards a gradual evolution. But fear not, for this doesn't dampen our excitement as a couple of enticing features twinkle on the horizon. Let's dive in and explore what's on our minds. Smart connector. Picture this: the iPad mini, sleek and compact, has always held a unique charm. However, it's been missing out on the smart connector goodness that its larger siblings enjoy. A simple addition like this could bridge the gap, bringing it in line with its Pro and 10th Gen counterparts. The result? The potential to connect a keyboard, much like the iPad Pro or the 10th Gen iPad. Imagine the possibilities. But here's where balance comes into play. While this addition could expand the Mini's versatility, it might also introduce a learning curve for those new to the connector concept. So let's keep our hopes high, albeit with a sprinkle of realism as we await the iPad Mini 7's entry into the tech arena. New processor. Amidst the anticipation, one factor takes the spotlight: the processor. The notable Ming-Chi Kuo port hints at its pivotal role, fueling our imagination with intriguing possibilities. Picture this: the processor's journey could take diverse routes. One straightforward option involves fitting the latest phone chip into the tablet, much like the iPad Mini 6 with its A15 chip from the iPhone 13. But balance beckons. While this offers familiarity, it might limit groundbreaking strides. Now envision the power of an M1 chip nestled within the iPad Mini. This could align it with the iPad Air, unlocking a realm of enhanced capabilities. Yet practicality tugs at us. Such innovation might come with a price, quite literally. Another avenue emerges, sparked by a Korean forum discussion shared by Frontrum. Could a boosted A15 chip, not an entirely new creation, be the answer? Imagine a punchy 3.23 GHz clock speed. Yet, a touch of skepticism is wise. While intriguing, source reliability shades it with doubt. New design. Now, given the iPad Mini 6's major design shakeup, it's wise to temper our hopes for an outward revolution. Instead, anticipate a more nuanced update, a subtle visual refresh with the introduction of new colors, a move that adds a dash of novelty without reinventing the wheel. Consider this: the recent iPad 10th Gen rocked vibrant shades like yellow, hinting at what's to come. Could the iPad Mini 7 follow suit, introducing a range of cool hues to spark visual intrigue? But remember, while fresh colors inject excitement, they might not quench the thirst for a groundbreaking external transformation. Now let's talk leaks. Whispers surrounding the iPhone 15 Pro point to a sumptuous wine-inspired red shade, showcasing Apple's creative flair. Could this captivating color find its way onto the iPad Mini 7's palette, infusing it with sophistication and charm? It's a possibility that resonates with allure. But let's strike a balance. While a new color dazzles, it might not fully satisfy those seeking a complete design overhaul. Price. Remember the shift in cost between the iPad Mini 6 and its predecessor, the iPad Mini 5? Well, that could hint at the direction the iPad Mini 7's pricing might take. Apple has a knack for raising prices when a major overhaul happens, just like with the iPad 10th Gen. But when it comes to iterative updates, the norm tends to be keeping prices steady, ensuring a sense of consistency for buyers. Now let's talk figures. If history holds true, the iPad Mini 7 could potentially start around $499. Of course, variations would likely appear for the cellular version and those craving extra storage. But remember, this projection isn't set in stone. The tech world is known for its curveballs. In the grand scheme, one truth emerges: the iPad Mini 7's pricing dance is likely to blend the familiar with the new. As we await the official reveal, brace yourselves for a mix of expectations met and surprises unveiled, a symphony that accompanies every new tech chapter. And that's a wrap for today's video, diving deep into all you need to know about the iPad Mini 7. With these insights in mind, the question beckons: will you be adding this product to your tech collection? We're eager to hear your thoughts, so drop them in the comments below. If you found this video valuable in shaping your purchasing decision, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.